Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling. How can I assist you?
Hi, I'd like to book a room for a few nights.
Of course. May I ask when you'll be staying with us?
I'm planning to stay from May 10th to May 13th.
All right. Let me check availability for those dates.
Sure, thank you.
Yes, we do have rooms available.
Great. What types of rooms do you have?
We have standard rooms, deluxe rooms, and suites.
What's the difference between a standard and a deluxe room?
The deluxe room is a bit larger and comes with a better view.
I see. How much is the deluxe room per night?
It's $80 per night, including breakfast.
That sounds reasonable. Do you have Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, we offer free Wi-Fi in all rooms.
Okay, that's good. I'd like to book a deluxe room, please.
Certainly. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Mika.
Thank you. And could I have your phone number?
Sure, it's 668751947.
Got it. What time do you expect to arrive?
Probably in the afternoon around 2 p.m.
That's perfect. Check-in time starts at 2 p.m.
Okay. Do I need to pay in advance?
No, you can pay when you arrive.
All right, that's convenient.
Your booking is confirmed.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you.
Thank you. Hi, I have a reservation.
Welcome. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Mika.
Let me check. Yes, I see your booking here.
Great.
Could you please show me your ID or passport?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. You've booked a deluxe room for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
All right. Would you like a room with a double bed or 2 single beds?
A double bed, please.
No problem. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by card.
All right. Please insert your card here.
Okay,
Please enter your PIN.
done.
Payment successful. Here is your room key.
Thank you.
Your room number is 305.
Okay,
The elevator is on your right.
got it. Excuse me, what time is breakfast?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
All right. Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, it's on the 2nd floor.
Nice.
Is this your first time staying with us?
Yes, it is.
We hope you enjoy your stay.
I'm sure I will. All right, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant stay.
Thank you. If you want to speak English like this in real life,
Practice simple, natural sentences every day.
don't memorize difficult grammar.
Just use real conversations like this
Start with one sentence today.
and use it in your daily life.
If this video helped you,
Subscribe to Learn English Moments.
we'll help you speak English naturally.
See you in the next lesson.